Okay, I'm wearing my half glass full shirt today because I'm optimistic that we are going to be able to fire up the software and the controller, and load software on it, and perhaps even turn the thing through the controller. We'll see how far we get. We've got a few minor mechanical things we need to do, and we need to complete some wiring. But today's a big day. At least we hope it's a big day. So let's get to work. All right, we're finished for the day, and it turned out to be a lot of progress. So we finished the mechanical things, adjusting the motors and encoders, and finally got them talking properly to the software. And I'm going to turn it over to Chuck and let him talk about all the cabling and stuff that was completed.
Well, we had to hook up some of the stuff that we did on the last session in this junction box, and we've now got 3 terminal strips in here, and we're beginning to populate the junction box with a lot of wiring. It's going to get a lot more crowded than it is now before we're done, but we did make progress, and we've got the deck power almost ready to go to plug into the controller.
And then Logan's been working software.
So so my focus has been software, and so I have the controller talking to the computer properly. I have both of the encoders talking to the controller properly, and I loaded the initial setup parameters based off the manual for the scope, and then we actually have the scope talking to Cartesial, which is our pointing software. So that's a big milestone for making all the software work together.
Okay, and so we've got to kind of complete, we've got to bring the power supply to the motors and finish some wiring, but not a whole lot before we're ready to start powering up the motors and actually testing them. And it's all of this progress is because I wore my lucky half full shirt, and we had a very optimistic team. And thanks to Mimo, who helped every one of us.